So Nev, second away win on the bounce. How are you feeling after that?
Yeah, fabulous, Stephen. You know, tough place to come. Lovely pitch. You know, nice to be back here. To be honest, I've been here for a few years since the Bangor days, but the pitch is in as well a condition I've ever seen it, and you know, it was a fantastic game. We made hard work of it in the end. You know, we've had enough chances probably to win 2 games, and we've missed a penalty, but the lads got there in the end, and that's all that matters, is about getting here, getting a result. And the lads have done that, and as you say, we're more than happy with them. Gavin
was saying a couple of weeks ago how the next 2 games landed internationally, how important they were. Were you under the same impression?
Yeah, definitely. So, you know, we're 6 points, 4 points we would have been happy with, but you know, 6 were over the moon.
Geoff, back-to-back wins, back-to-back away wins. What were your thoughts after that game?
It was just about the performance. Good away win last week. It was just about continuing from there, really getting the points on the board, trying to crawl up our way up the table and trying to get in that top 6. So good 3 points there tonight.
So 2-1 when you came on. How were you feeling when you went on the pitch? Any nerves or?
No, I've past getting nervous. Yeah, sometimes you do, but you know, I just want to get on, do my job, hopefully get on and score some goals. So that's what happened tonight. Yeah, great 3 points there.
As you said, scored the 3rd goal, and you've scored plenty of goals in your career, especially for Aber. How was that one tonight?
They all mean the same. I love scoring goals. I love playing football, I love scoring. So another one on the tally there. And, yeah, happy to get the goal and happy to get the 3 points.
In terms of Aber's push for the top 6, how important do you think not only this win but the win last week was then?
Yes, very important. You know, like I say, just keep plugging away, keep trying to get points on the board. So 2 back-to-back wins there, 6 points is fantastic. So keep pushing on now.